In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove WhatsApp from a Facebook page. If your WhatsApp account is connected to Facebook and you want to unlink it, the process is fairly quick once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the path inside the Facebook app so you can remove that connection cleanly and avoid confusion with the different settings menus. To get started, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to the account that manages the Facebook page or the account where the WhatsApp connection was set up. Once you're in the app, look for the menu icon, which appears as the three horizontal lines. Tap that to open the main navigation area. From there, go into Settings and Privacy, and then tap Settings. This is where Facebook keeps most account level options, so if you don't see what you need right away, don't worry. Just continue through this section carefully. Near the top of the settings area, look for the option that says See More in Account Center. Tap that to open Account Center. This is the section Meta uses to manage connected experiences across Facebook, WhatsApp, and other linked accounts. So this is the important place for removing the connection. Once you're inside Account Center, tap Accounts. You should now see the accounts that are currently connected. Find the WhatsApp account in that list and then tap Remove next to it. Follow any confirmation prompts that appear on the screen to finish unlinking the account. It's a good idea to read the confirmation message before approving it, just so you understand what will change after the removal. In most cases, this simply disconnects WhatsApp from Facebook, but it's always helpful to review what Facebook tells you before completing the action. After you confirm, the WhatsApp account should no longer be linked through Account Center. If you still see it listed, give the app a moment to refresh or close and reopen Facebook and check again. Sometimes updates don't appear instantly, and that's it. That's how to remove WhatsApp from a Facebook page using the Facebook app. Just open Facebook, tap the menu, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, select See More in Account Center, open Accounts, and remove the WhatsApp account from the list. If you follow that path carefully, you should be able to disconnect it in just a minute or two.